To switch Scania's electronic park brake into service mode, turn the key to accessory and hold the foot brake throughout this process. Turn the ignition on and hold the brake release for 5 seconds. Turn the key back to accessory and let go of everything. It should now be in workshop mode, and ignition off and door open will no longer engage the park brake. To re-engage, hold the brake slightly longer than you normally would. For anyone still struggling, here are more details. Turn the key to accessories, the first click, and then press and continue to hold down the foot brake. Turn the key to ignition, which is the next click over, and press and hold the park brake release for 5 seconds. This is relatively time sensitive, so a second before or after may cause it to fail. Turn the key back to accessories, the first click, and once work is done, hold the park brake switch just slightly longer than normal. If you just flick it down as if you were driving, it may not engage. Always make sure the vehicle is safe before you do any work to it. Vehicles should always be chocked and secure when in service mode or on jacks. Consult the vehicle's workshop manual for further details.